Hello friends and new friends. Today well, maybe I should say aloha, but today we're going to talk about chamomile. I'm going to show you 3 stages of chamomile, and then after the short video I'll talk about some characteristics and tips and lessons. This chamomile was started by seed in winter 2022, and it did produce last year. In that year, I should say. This is 2023, and it's already budded up. Now this one is the baby. This was from self-seeding or pollination flying off, and so it is its first true year, and it should produce blooms later in the spring or summer. As you can see, the one on the right was year 1, more than less. This one is year 2, although it was growing by the end of the year. And the shortest were seeded this year in 2023 in the winter. And, you know, obviously they're just getting started. And there are 2 more in this bucket. Onions repel a lot of pests, and the chamomile will enhance the onions. So it's definitely hardy in zone 7, probably 6 too. I'm not sure about 5, but even if it's not, it reseeds. So it's not technically perennial, but it'll reseed itself, you know, like feather celosia or whatever. I guess if you were going to, I mean, these are in containers obviously, but I guess if you want to grow a stand of it 2 by 2, probably be about right, maybe 2 by 4. But if you have that much, then you kind of probably want to keep it separate from other stuff because it does spread and reseed itself. This is lovely to have right here in our herb garden. It's good stuff. Well, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and drop a comment down there if you grow chamomile or not. And we will see y'all on the next one.